What's going on, my tech friends? This is the One Tech Boss. So today I have something very special for you guys, and yeah, as you can see the setup right now, yeah, I've got one monitor right now, but I want to have a double kind of setup, monitor setup, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, full tour will be going. I'm moving to a new place, new bigger space, office, studio, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I'll do a video of me actually rebuilding this whole thing because I have changed quite a lot of things and stuff like that. But anyway, before this video starts, please don't forget to like the video already, and also don't forget to subscribe as well and hit that notification button as well, because yeah, I need your support on that. Anyway, today we're going to be doing an unboxing on this. Like I explained to you guys, I need another monitor. This is the BenQ. Got my address there, sugar. This is the BenQ monitor, yeah, BenQ monitor, and yeah, this is the designer monitor. It's it's the PD2500Q. So yeah, that's the monitor. It's good for photoshopping, like anything to do with colors. Basically, it's good to do. It's good with anything to do with colors, basically. Yeah. So yeah, I brought it so when I obviously color grade my videos, so I can see exactly what colors you're gonna be seeing on your phone or wherever you're gonna be watching this video. But yeah, anyway, so yeah, let's crack this box open. I've been waiting for this box for at least 3 days now, and yeah, I'm so excited because I have a space right here to put it, so I'm gonna have like a double display. It's gonna look so sick. So yeah, if you want to see that video, that's gonna be a different video. If you want to see that, then you have to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I obviously have that video up. Anyway, let's crack this box open. Let's see what's in the box. But yeah, so anyway, the reason why I'm doing another video of kind of like a display screen is obviously because when I did the video on the TV, my TV right now, which is literally right there, my LG super thin TV. I wasn't expecting a lot of views on it, so, but yeah, I got like what, 1,000 views on it. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna do another unboxing of monitor for you guys. So yeah, this is a monitor. So yeah, let's get into it. Oh my god, let me turn this over. Oh, hey, that Kia plant. I didn't even think it was in the freaking view, bro. It was right there. I literally was like, oh sugar, IKEA plant, I need to get it in frame, but it's in frame already. That's sick, bro. So like I said, subscribe or this will be going on your neck, mate. Anyway, let's cut this box open with my trusted big knife. Boom, we're in. So this is a 25-inch display. So yeah, I just hope it's big enough. Well, I mean, all I'm gonna be doing on there is literally, when I edit, literally it's gonna be my preview screen, literally on top. It's gonna literally be my preview screen. It's not for gaming, not for editing, nothing like that. It's literally just for my preview when I color grade or whatever on my video. But yeah, we've got the power wire to power it up. What's this? You got, yeah, your 3-pin power cable, obviously, to power it up, which is there. And then what's this? You got the what's this? Oh, you got your display port. No, I don't even know what that cable is, but it's that cable. I don't know. The cable in here I'm very excited for. Then you got this little thing in a bag. I don't know what that is, but yeah, that's something. And then what I was looking forward to, yeah, it's got HDMI cable as well. Right, that HDMI cable. Show you guys that. We've got HDMI cable as well. And I believe, yep, it should have a, yes. This is the cable that I'm gonna be using. Yes, it's a display port, yes. So mini display port. So mini display port right there. So mini display port to the full display port, which is right there, which is pretty cool. So that's the cable I'm going to be using. That's one reason I also bought this, because it comes with this cable, which is cool. And then we got some paperwork. Oh, this is the individual calibration report. Individual calibration report. So basically, this tells you that the monitor has been calibrated. Oh, sick. You got the report over there. So this is specifically made for graphic designers. So yeah, it's been calibrated from factory, so don't need to calibrate it again. But yeah, it's nice to have that reassurance that it's been calibrated for any color use you're going to be using. They've got CD in there, maybe how to use it, and got some paperwork, maybe some warranty cards or whatever. I don't know. But yeah, that's everything in the box. So, how do you get it out? Oh my god. It feels heavy. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna lay this down. Alright, so we got the stand. This is the heavy duty stand. But obviously I'm not going to be using the stand because I'm going to be mounting it up on the arm, literally just right there, so that can stay in the box. Then you got the absolutely beautiful BenQ stand. So this, obviously this pivots, does this, it goes down, yep, it goes down, up and down. It's basically the same as this one. This one goes up and down. Literally, it pivots sideways. This one goes up and down. That's if you're going to be using this. But I'm not going to be using that because I'm going to be using that on the wall. So yeah, let's put that aside. And then we got the actual panel. Whew. Oh my god. It looks so good. Whew. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. This is very nice, huh? That is a gorgeous freaking monitor. Whew. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous monitor. Wow. That is amazing. That looks so good. Literally, look at that. Look at bezels. Hardly any bezel. You see it? Hardly any bezel. And that's gonna go on right here. Smack right there. In the middle, right there. Woo! That looks so good. That looks so good. It's got the matte finish on this. It's got the matte finish, obviously, for the screen, which is good for light and the screen and all that. But yeah, that looks so dope. You've got this annoying bit here. I believe this is like the LED section here. The reason why I ordered this monitor as well is because if you have a look at this, the edge kind of thing is like different, yeah, and it kind of sinks through with this. So like this is what's on that, which is very, very nice. But yeah, that is a nice, good looking monitor. I'll probably